In this video, I will explain how to set up a portable ground plane antenna using the Portable Ground Plane Antenna Kit. When you first open your antenna kit, you'll find the bracket and nut assembly. Make sure this is clamped to the metal pole, and if not, use the supplied gear clamps to clamp it in place, like you see in this photo. Next, connect your coaxial line to the bottom of the nut and secure hand tight. Next, locate the supplied antenna and screw it to the top of the assembly like you see in this photo. Now, locate the 4 radial rods and the 4 holes in the side of the antenna block. Use the supplied Allen wrench to loosen the 8 small Allen screws and place a rod in each of the 4 holes. Once the rods are in the 4 holes, use the Allen key to tighten each of the 8 screws on each side of the block like I'll show you in this small clip. Once everything is tight and in place, you're ready to start using your new portable radio antenna.